Hello, everyone. Larry Sensual here with, what's your name? Julia. And who's that? Your mom. That's right. My friend and subscriber Bonnie knew that you love to watch birds. Is that right? So she made it possible for me to give you this bird feeder we can hang in Texas, and then you can share the pictures with me in Georgia. Is that cool? All right. So Laura, you need to go to that website and set up an account. So there's a QR code right here on the back of the box. And Julia, you want to help open this? All right. Your mom can be setting up her account while you... What do we have there? Oh, this is a, you know what this is? This is a sticker so we know where to drill the holes. What else is in there? Oh, the bracket. Can you bend it? Nope, it's pretty sturdy. All right, let's put that over there. What's that? Oh, the directions. Nice and big. Some of these directions are so small I can't read them. What else? Cardboard. Foam. Oh, look at that bag of goodies. This is the antenna and a screwdriver. Pull it all out at once. Will it come? Oh, yeah. It's really well packaged, isn't it? Nothing else in there. All right. Look at there. A camera. What's in here? Oh, there's some cups and stuff you can put bird food in. And that's for hummingbirds. Do you have hummingbirds in Texas? Yeah. Well, next summer, I don't think they're going to be here now, but next summer you can put them in there. What is in here? Oh, that's where the food lands.
This is so cool, Julia.
All right, Julia, I think we'll go ahead and put this on. Do you know how to use a screwdriver? You do? So I think this is going to go right here. It does. And there's 3 screws in the package. Which one do you want to put in first? The middle? That's a good choice. All right. Can you twist it the other way?
There you go.
That's it. You might have to press down a little bit to get it started. Okay, now it's started. Keep going.
So high.
Yeah, it's hard, but you get it all the way in. Is that one in? Okay, let's do another one. Which one do you want to put in now? That one or that one? This one? Whoa, I almost dropped it. Okay.
It's easier to sit on the table.
Yeah, good job. You got that one in?
Yeah.
All right. The only one left.
There's one.
So easy a child can do it. Got that one in? Almost? Perfect. Okay. Julia, you know what I did when you weren't watching? I opened this and I charged the camera overnight. So it's ready to go. All right, there's a little... Let's see. I think there's a little plastic foam on here. Can you take that off? That protects it. All right. So to turn this on, we have to tilt it forward. And open this part. All right. And then inside here is an on and off switch. So we're ready to turn it on, Laura?
I think so.
Okay. Did you hear a sound? I did too. Do you know what that blinking sound means?
No.
It means it's ready to set up the camera. All right. So what does it say to do? Next. Yep. It found the camera. And it's looking for a Wi-Fi signal. You know what, Julia? You need to screw this on. Can you screw that on?
Yeah.
Screw the antenna on?
I have to remember the password.
Yep. Your mom's setting up a password. This antenna is what is going to go to your mom's phone and so we can see the birds. I think that's it. Yep. So then we can point that straight up. Oh, it's connecting. You know what? I think we're going to have a QR code come up now. Well, let's. You can name wherever you want to put it. Good. And there. Confirm the Wi-Fi. Okay, this tells us how to put it together. It's ready.
Okay.
So I bet if you go to there, I bet there's a picture of Julia on here. Look at there. It's connecting.
Look, Julia.
Look at there.
You're like a bird.
Look at there, Julia. There you are on the camera. Can you wave? What we need to do now is to put the cover back on. We'll put the cover on the camera, and then we'll plug the solar panel back in. Now, it's been cloudy since I've been in Texas, so if the sun runs out and the battery is run down, back here they give you this cord, and you can plug this back in the house for a while, and it will recharge it. Okay, and then you'll be good to go again. So I think we're going to put this out on the fence. Are you ready to do that? All right, let's go get it. We need your dad's drill. Think we can borrow his drill?
Do you know where it is?
Okay.
In the garage.
Okay. Right there? All right, so we have to put the sticker on. Yeah. Okay. All right, then it shows you exactly where to drill. So I'm going to put that screw in right there. All right. You want to hang that on there for me? All right. It's going to go just like that. Yep. There you go. Now let it go down. Good. Perfect. You are so good. And now I'll screw the rest of the way in. So now the birdhouse goes on here. Can you hand me that little screw that's with the feeder? No, the little screw that's inside the top. See the seat on the food? That's it. So this, if you need to take this down to clean it, all you have to do is take this little screw out. Okay? All right. So we'll open it. You want to put the food in? It's going to go, I'll hold you up. It's going to go right inside there. Okay.
Okay.
Nope. Go. Use your other hand.
This one.
Yeah.
That.
Yep. Pour it right inside.
Wait, is that
Perfect. Yep. All of it.
all of it?
Perfect. All right. Let's see what that looks like. All right. Have your mom show us what it looks like. Let me turn it off. All right. You want to say thank you to Miss Bonnie and Harymor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. This is a great bird feeder, isn't it? You're going to enjoy watching it? You're going to share it with me so I can see them in Texas? You think that dog's going to scare the birds away? Maybe. Say bye.
Bye.
So I want to look at Julia's feeder, and to do that, I'm going to go to the same app, the Viacom, and it says add a friend's device. And so Laura is giving me this QR code, and it's waiting for authorization. And I'm going to hit accept on her phone, and got it. So now I am looking at Julia's camera in Texas,